I'm Amy Anderson from Option Rally TV. Let's take a look at the global market highlights and news that all traders and investors should be aware of. U.S. markets reopen quietly from holiday. Earnings reports hurt Coca Cola, and currencies climb as the U.S. dollar tumbles. Let's take a quick look at what's happening in the global markets now. Wall Street kicked off a holiday-shortened week mixed at the closing bell. The Dow Jones was down 0.15% at 161.30.40. The S&P 500 index added 0.12% to 1840.76, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite rose 0.68% to 4272.78. Coca Cola dropped almost 4% after reporting fourth quarter revenue that missed Wall Street expectations. iPhone maker Apple rose 0.8%. Helped by press reports it is in talks to buy electric car maker Tesla Motors. Tesla advanced 3.5%. Investors took in the National Association of Home Builders monthly sentiment index for February, which dropped to 46 this month, signaling that builders are pessimistic about sales trends. Economists expected a flat reading of 56. The index dropped to the lowest level in 9 months in February. European indexes and Asian markets both closed mixed. The Nikkei added 3.1% after Japan's central bank doubled the size of two programs designed to encourage bank lending. In the foreign exchange market, the euro touched a 7-week high against the dollar this morning, with the greenback struggling in the wake of a more soft economic data and news that foreign investors had been heavy sellers of U.S. assets. The euro held steady at 1.3761. Tuesday's lackluster data on New York manufacturing and U.S. housing added to the case for the Federal Reserve to be patient in its tapering plans and push Treasury yields lower, undermining the dollar's yield advantage. Against a basket of major currencies, the dollar set at 79.932. Against the yen, the euro eased 0.1% to about 140.74 yen. The euro had climbed 0.8% versus the yen on Tuesday, helped in part by the Bank of Japan's decision to extend and expand a scheme to promote bank lending. Moving to the commodities market, gold came off 3.5-month highs hit in the previous session as investors reaped profits and physical buying subsided. Gold touched $1332.10 an ounce on Tuesday, the strongest since October 31st, before shedding some of the gains. Bullion has risen around 9% so far this year. Oil prices were mixed yesterday, with cold weather in the United States pushing demand for heating fuel higher and credit growth in China also giving support. New York's main contract West Texas Intermediate was trading at 100.71. European benchmark Brent North Sea crude eased 9 cents to 109.09. This is Amy Anderson from Option Rally signing off. Follow me on Facebook and watch for our new financial terms of the day and our weekly event news. And of course, I'm waiting for your like below if you enjoyed today's Market Watch.